Hello and welcome to Coastal Crafts. I've got a whole range of things that I have been picking up over the last couple of weeks. So I think it's about time to do a haul and get it all properly put away. I'll start off with Aliexpress. I've just got one thing from Aliexpress. Well, it's a die and a stamp set. So it's to do all these little sentiments and the die that cuts them all out in one go. So that was quite exciting for me to not have to individually cut them all out. So you get lots of strips, and these are all Christmas sentiments. So we've got things like May Your Season Sparkle, Jingle All the Way. There's some more religious ones like Oh Come Let Us Adore Him, With Love at Christmas Time with no space. So Christmas time. With Love at Christmas Time, all in one go. But I really like these actually. They're cut out at a good size. When I saw it on there, you never know with AliExpress, don't you, unless you actually read the sizes, which I don't bother to do. And I thought, oh, they might be like that big. And when they come, they're like very good size. And I've already been using these on various different projects. So they are acrylic, no, they're silicone. Silicone, isn't it? You get from AliExpress. Silicone stamps. So the quality of the stamping isn't amazing, but it's actually good enough. And if you use a stamping tool, you generally get a better impression. So loads of sentiments in one go, really useful. So got that one. Is that from a... Can't remember who that's from. I'll link it below if you so wish. From eBay, I got some of these little, what are they called, bales or something, for going on the back of, so to make my own charms. That's what I'm trying to say. It's like if I got a little gingerbread, I can stick it on the back and have some charms. So that was just £1 or £2 for that. Also from, I believe, an eBay seller, Festival Star Felts. I just got 3 pieces of wool felt. So I like wool felt because you can die cut it really nicely. You could also get stiff felt, I guess, but just it's nice. And if you were interested, you could heat it up and stretch it if you wanted to do such things. I'm just going to die cut it. So I've got red, brown and white. Basically, I'm making little gingerbread men. That's what that is for. So that's the colours I've been using up. So I wanted to get some more. I wonder if I've got any of my little gingerbread men kicking about that I have been making. Just have a quick flick. I think I've used them all up. That's a shame. I shall show you next time. What else did I get on eBay? Picked this one up. I was quite excited to find this tonic set. Can't remember how much I paid. I think it was about £3 plus something for postage, and I've been wanting this one since it came out. It's just something about the way, like the little baubles and things. And the other one that was like the other set that they did at the same time had the little ice skates on. I really want that one, so just have to wait and see if I can locate that. So that's Religious Bauble die set from Tonic, obviously, and I've stuck a magnetic sheet on, but those are the dies, so really big size. And I have got a little card, as I do like to have a little play when I get them. So we will pop them out the way and grab. So the big dies. So I've gone for a big card. Unfortunately, there's a bit of a smudge there where I was stamping in gold ink, but you can see you get a little bit to hang the bauble. You get the bauble and you get some different interchangeable shapes to go inside. I chose that one, and Peace on Earth, really nice little sentiment. So yeah, I really like those dies. And of course they cut beautifully, being tonic dies. That's like an A5 card, big jumbo cards. Also on eBay, as we're on eBay, I got 3 sets of house mouse stamps. Because they're such gorgeous images and they're not Christmassy, but I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get them and have a little play already. So I've already done this one and made it up and given to my mum for her birthday card. So I haven't got that, but I've got some of the others to show you. Let's see. So that one, and that one. So this is this little one. And they're having a little nap. I think that's really cute. Yeah, I did make that into a card. And I just like to put a bit of glossy accents on just to emphasize the bit that's the little creatures. I do quite like them in the grayscale. So really cute. So I tried a few different colouring and found for me, I'm probably just best sticking with the old alcohol markers. Here is the little first aid one. So doing some bandaging. That's just a little mark that's got stuck in the glossy accents, unfortunately. Isn't it cute? Then I use one of these little ones to actually make a little Christmas card. So celebrate the season. He says, peace to all. Then you open it up and that one's yawning. And that's where I've used some of those Aliexpress sentiments. And then here's this one with the cheese. Many happy returns, Gouda cheese. So I put a bit of gloss on the candle as well. I was wondering about adding some glitter or something, like he's sort of blowing it out. But then I thought it might just remind me of spreading germs in the COVID situation. And here's a little poppy one. He's having a little sleep in the poppy. And it's sweet. They're just, oh, sorry, yawning. They're just nice ones to sit in colour, really. And they are grey rubber. And because I got them off eBay, they were pre-mounted by the previous person, which is always nice. You don't have to mount them. A joy. Did I get anything else from eBay? I don't think so. I picked up some more colour glue. You know I love my colour glue from Amazon, mainly because I wanted some brown ones to make the little gingerbread men. But it's always useful to have the other colours, I guess. Then I didn't pop into Hobbycraft because it's shut, isn't it? I ordered it, one of those click and collect you can do. And I did the click and collect mainly because I needed an album to do my December daily. I'm going to open this up now. So we're very soon to the start of December, and we've already put our tree up. We did that today, so I'll do the photos and get them in for the first day. So I always go for an 8x8 album because it's manageable within the time frame. And I sort of, like last year, the first year that I said, you know what, if you don't manage to do it every day, it doesn't matter, just do the key days. And that worked well, so I'll probably do that again. So I'm going to cover it and decorate it and then get a few pages ready and get started. It was £4 from Hobbycraft, and whilst I was there, whilst I was ordering, I got this die. It says Happy Christmas. I just thought it was a nice font. That's how it cuts out. I just thought that's quite nice, isn't it? So I like that. That was £1.75, I think, from Hobbycraft. I got some of these little wooden toppers. I've not even opened them up yet. Let's open them up and have a look. Look, they're little gingerbread houses. So cute. And that would be perfect to go inside my December daily and other cute little projects. I think they're adorable. So I got those. And then I wanted some just ordinary sized envelopes, but could I manage to do that? No, I accidentally picked up the C5 ones. So now I've got the jumbo A5 sized envelopes, and I never send cards that size. That's partly why I made this jumbo size card. So, and even that's not as big as this one. And I know people make albums from envelopes, don't they? Let me know if you've ever made an envelope album and you think it's worth me doing that, or whether I just hang on to them until I make something that requires that size. So I did grab some from the range instead that were the size that I wanted to solve that problem. I did an order from Dies to Die For. So I'm just checking that's not on there. So that's Dies to Die For. And I think that's their website, but obviously if you type in Dies to Die For, that's quite easy to get hold of. And they do lots of the American stamps and things like that. And they had some bits on sale and I picked up, but also I wanted, I'm just flicking around to see where I've put it. I really wanted, and I'm sure you've seen lots of people have been picking this up, well, not this particular set, but the ones by the Colorado Craft Company, the Anita, is she called Anita Jerem? Anyway, she's the one who draws the Guess How Much I Love You drawings, and I've always found them so cute. So she's got a whole load of them, and I've got another set that I've asked for my birthday, so that's coming. But I got this one, it's a little Christmas one. So really cute. Family is the greatest gift and do not open till December 25th. So you could do it with some really nice tags and things. So I picked that one up. I think it's about £12.50. So I got that one, and the rest of the things I got were in the sale. But let's have a look at some of the little cards. So there's this one. And I've realised actually if you coloured it up differently, that wouldn't need to be Christmas at all. Aren't they cute? So then I saw somebody doing some grayscale colouring on Facebook, someone's card, and I thought, you know what, I need to give that a go. So with these two, I had an attempt at doing grayscale. So everything's in grey except for some red highlights. So I'm not sure that I'm quite there on doing that yet, but it was nice to give it a go. It's a bit different, isn't it? And I do want to carry on and keep attempting that. Let me know what you think of the old grayscale cards. So that's those, and they're nice itty little cards, these ones. But I think you could make that into a bigger card, couldn't you? Just back it all differently. So anyway, from Dice Lifer I got that set, and then I got some that were on sale. So I got this Whimsy Sentiments one, which is a rubber stamp, and it is already backed, and that was £2. So for £2 I thought, for those lovely sentiments, as a bargain. I think I've got a few that I have stamped out, just so you can roughly see. So I was thinking with these that they'd be quite good just for adding little sentiments into cards and things. See, that would be nice, just stamped into the middle. I kind of messed it up on the side, but inside a card. So I think they're nice, and you get the little candy cane as well. So for £2 I thought, you know what, I will get that one. And then I got this one. I just couldn't resist. I think it was £1, so I couldn't say no. Yeah, it was £1 because it's so cute. It's another red rubber, Dough Dreaming. I was just thinking that, oh, I hope I haven't already got that one, but I'm fairly sure I haven't already got that stamp set. Now I have made a card using that. What on earth did I do with that card that I literally just made? Here it is. So with that stamp set, I made this card, and look how cute it is. So it's covered in glossy accents, and the glossy accents cracked, but I thought, you know what, that sort of adds to the effect maybe. Really cute. So that is that one. And then this looks like a really simple one, but I actually thought just having those little candy canes would be quite useful for some things. I do love a candy cane. I have stamped that out. I was just seeing if I could quickly locate it whilst I'm talking to you. But that's always easier said than done, isn't it? As everything's in a state of chaos at the moment. But basically, you can imagine what that looks like. So it's just a nice red rubber mounted one by CC Designs. But yeah, I really like that for just adding. Obviously, it wouldn't be a card in its own, but adding to a card. And I also got this die set, which I think was down to £3.50. And it makes, this has nothing to do with Christmas, bear in mind, but it makes little board shorts and little flip-flops. And as you know, I obviously live down near the sea. So board shorts and flip-flops are very much what everybody really wears as soon as the weather perks up a bit, and they're three-dimensional flip-flops. So not for this time of year, but once I get onto summer crafts, I just love them, and because they were on sale and they're a good size actually, I was very happy to have those. So I think that's all. Oh, I got some random little charms, which I didn't know what these were going to be like. So I think they were 40p each, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to shove a few in whilst I'm doing an order. So I've got a little baseball cap, because I thought that might be nice for either for a summer project or for like a male project. Paris and the suitcase, because we know I love Paris. I thought the little dress, or could be underwear, was quite cute. And then this is meant to be Hello Kitty riding a bike. And I guess it still is Hello Kitty riding a bike, but it's the world's most small charm in the world. But there we go. Cute nonetheless, but I wasn't expecting it to be quite that small. You win some, you lose some, don't you? But anyway, there's still more to come. As I ordered on Facebook as I quite often do. I picked up a couple of stamp sets. I picked up this Ultimately one, and it was all brand new, unopened. I've just gone and opened it and tried it out. Oh, look, whilst I'm looking for that, there's the old candy canes. And that reminds me, yeah, before I move on, I also got that from Dies to Die For. It wasn't £4.50, it was £1. Some little ticket. I love my tickets. A little Christmas stamp. Little Christmas ticket stamp. That's the words that make sense if you use them logically. I was just looking around to see if I could find that flower that I stamped out from this set. But that will turn up as soon as I don't want it. But it's a lily anyway. And it comes out something like that. So I've opened it up and had a go. That's why, but it was perfectly new and it was £3. And then I was umming and ahhing over this because I thought, oh, I don't know. And then I decided to get it because it is a nice rubber pre-mounted. I do love a rubber because they just stamp so well. By Indigo Blue, Twit to Woo. It's an owl. But I realised actually colouring in an owl, and this is what I feared, is not very easy. So I sort of started, and I'm not going to keep that because it's just not good enough. But I need to look up some ideas. I couldn't find any examples of this image online. I have to search a bit harder to sort of help me colour it in. I wasn't going for any specific breed, in case you're wondering. Just trying to colour in an owl. That was £3 as well, but I've not done a very good job colouring it in. And then I love these. So all 4 sets I got for £2. They've not been opened. Look at them. They're little buttons, but I shall probably just cut the back off and use them as flat backed. How cute are those foxes? And then these owls. How cute are these owls? And mushroom houses. I love it. And flowers as well. They're just cute, aren't they? So I was really very happy to get those because they were even cuter in person. And I remember the last thing that I picked up that I forgot to show you from eBay. I actually picked this up with the intention of using it for school. So I think I paid £10 on eBay for this die, but I wanted it. It's to do a little advent calendar. And I thought, you know what? Although I'm realising now that I'm going to have it die cut by Monday in order for the children to make use of it. If I need to die cut a whole load tomorrow night, or it'll be tonight now. But basically, yeah, it cuts to all the windows. So like there's this one, so it's all cut and all the windows ready to open. And then you need to put it on top of another sheet. And the children will need to draw a different image in every single one so that they can open it up. Has come with some images, so that would, you know, if I was making it, I could just put that on the front and use those pre-made images. But I will need to figure out a way that first of all I need enough images and then die cut them all, and then I'm going to need some plain backing sheets, and I'm going to get all the children in my class to make a little advent calendar. And I just thought that would be fun. So it came with a few of these pieces from eBay. Yeah, and then I doubt I will get round to doing myself one this year as time is going to run out, but next year I might do some for myself. And I think that is pretty much it. Apart from the fact that I popped into Home Bargains, got some tissue paper, 69p, Christmassy, and I did get this little box. I think it was about £1.60 or something, and a little storage box, and I've decided to use it to put my Christmas embellishments in. Yes, I have got more than this, but it's quite nice having a load together in the box. So thank you for watching. I know that's an incredibly long video and exhausting. So well done for taking part and watching, and yeah, look out for more. I shall speak to you soon. Bye.